HTML table. Table elements are elements used in the creation of tables. Table element. For you to create a table, you must start with the table element. The table element is a container for storing every other table element. TR element. The TR element is used for creating rows. It must be within the table element. TR is used for storing table cells and creating rows. TH element. The TH element is used for creating header cells. It provides description of the data being stored in a row or column. For example, when storing the age and names of people, the TH should be used to store the row column headers. Open your browser to see the result. Notice how our result doesn't look like a table. This is because we relied on the browser's default CSS without styling it ourselves. Let's paste these CSS to make our table resemble a table and recheck the output. When you check the result, you'll see that it look better. That's what CSS does. TD element. TD element are used to create table cells. See the result. Let's add more data to our table. See the result. The colspan attribute can be used to make a table cell span more than one column. Let's split the name header cell into first name and last name, while letting the name header cell down the lower header cells. When you check the result, you'll see that it doesn't look like a complete table. Now use the colspan attribute to make the name header cell span both first name and last name cells. See the result. We can use some CSS Go make our look much more better. We'll talk about CSS more in the next section. See the result. The row span attribute is used to specify the number of rows a cell should span. Let's change our table position. See the result. If the row span value is 2 and its column position is 1 first, it means it'll span the first 2 rows starting from itself, and shift any table cell at its column position to the right. Just like our example, the row span value is 2 and it's in the first column. That means the header cell labeled name will span the first 2 rows starting from itself and push the cell labeled Ahmed to the right since it's in the same position as the header cell name. See the result. Caption element. Caption element stores description of what type of data the table stores. See the result. Let's add some CSS. See the result. Challenges.